morning, everyone. My name is Josué Barco. I am going to tell you about Psalm chapter 148. Let them praise the name of the Lord, for his name is exalted, his glory is above the earth and heaven. Now in Spanish, ahora en español. Alabemos a Dios porque solo Él merece alabanzas. Su grandeza está por encima de la tierra y de los cielos.